everyone, and welcome to a special series by Anand Rathi Wealth, Champions of Growth. I'm your host, Avan Dabash. We want to celebrate the employees who have spent a decade with the company shaping the organization's culture while, of course, growing in their own journeys. So, in today's episode, we will be featuring Twinkle Agarwal, a powerhouse performer who joined the company in 2015 from an assistant manager to a private banker and then an RM. She has steadily climbed the ranks, now managing an impressive AUM of 249 crore rupees. Her passion is wonderful. She likes exploring the world, diverse cultures, and helping the underprivileged. A four-time top performer at Deutsche Bank, she clearly brings a lot of excellence to everything she does. So, Twinkle, thank you for joining in and tell us a little bit more about your journey in the world of finance. What motivated you to join Anand Rathi Wealth?
Thank you so much, Avan. I think my journey with Anand Rathi over the past 10 years has truly been special and memorable one. And looking back over the years, I feel, an immense sense of gratitude for the opportunities and the experiences that this company has blessed me with. And I'm truly, truly grateful for the same. And the journey has been so amazing. It has been full of learnings, growth, and memories to cherish for a lifetime.
Absolutely. And let's talk about some of those memories. Is there anything in particular that stands out? Maybe one moment where you felt truly proud to be a part of Anand Rathi Wealth?
So every single day, that I've spent with this company, coming to work, never ever I've felt, like it was always a good feeling, a good feel factor whenever I've stepped out, and come to work here. I think one moment which I always remember, of course, one was reaching a milestone of 100 crores. Okay, that was the most memorable moment for me, and in fact, it gave me a great sense of achievement, reaching that number. But of course, the journey that it took to reach that number, has its own ups and downs, and I feel, everybody who has helped me in this journey and let my dream turn into reality. There's a very famous sentence, that we've come across in one of the famous books called The Alchemist, which says that, if you truly want something, if you desire to achieve something, then the whole universe conspires, in helping you achieve that. And that's something that has happened with me. So my most memorable, I would say, was reaching that milestone, joining this company as account manager, and firstly becoming a private banker and reaching that milestone was one of the most memorable moment that I truly cherish.
So, from account manager to relationship manager, tell us about how each of your roles have helped shaped your professional growth. Has there been anyone instrumental that has helped lead you here?
Sure. So I joined back in April 2015 as an account manager with Anand Rathi. So back then, my core responsibilities was to handle the operational work, day-to-day service-related queries, analytics, and business development. A few of my key learnings back then was discipline, dedication, and time management for my job, and that is something which I continue to cultivate till date. Uh, what I feel, I feel this was one of the best, time of my journey because I had immense learning before embarking onto the new role. So I was promoted to a relationship manager back in 2016. I was under the mentorship of Mr. Kedar Bhatt. He has helped me immensely, in shaping my career here at Anand Rathi. He's been the most instrumental, person I would say, and my largest pillar of support from the day I joined this organization. Under his guidance and leadership, I have touched newer heights.
The fact that you are a woman in a very male dominated industry, but that doesn't really seem so at Anand Rathi Wealth. What has it been like in an inclusive environment like this?
No, I think that's something which we've all been seeing these days. I mean, women workforce, women have been going out, working, all across. There's an equality, and in fact, in Anand Rathi, my CEO has always been emphasizing on having larger women workforce, in this company. Uh, for me, I think it was a great opportunity that has been provided by this organization to grow and shape my career here, because when I joined as I was an account manager. I started my journey from the scratch, and wherever I have grown today, whatever little I could achieve was only because of the help and the support extended by this organization, and I'm truly, truly grateful for the same.
That's lovely. If you could give one piece of advice to young professionals in this industry, what would it be, Twinkle?
So I feel that one piece of advice that I would like to give to all my young friends out here is that you are in the right place at the right time, and this organization helps us with so much armory that we just need to use it in the right way. And the roadmap to success is defined on day one for each one of us, right? Uh, and it is up to us of how we grab this opportunity and make our lives better. So I think this is the right place for you, to grow and grow in your career.
Okay. And are there any core values at Anand Rathi Well that really resonate with you and why?
So some of the core values that resonates with me and that I have imbibed after joining this company, one is to be humble. I feel humility is very, very important. It's good to be proud of your strengths and your accomplishments, but I feel there is always a room for improvement. Okay, so it is very, very important, and and one should always be ready to acknowledge your mistakes, accept any kind of feedback given very positively, and also so these are few things that I feel is very, very important. Seeking help from others. Apart from this, it is very, very important to empathize. Empathize and uh, uh, to walk into other shoes and see to it that what would they do, what would they be feeling about. It's very, very important to empathize with your colleagues, because that is something that creates a very, very strong interpersonal relationship in the organization. Then I feel it is very, very important to be persistent, never say die attitude, because one is if there is a failure, right, and that is bound to happen, we cannot do anything about it. But how do we act and behave after the instance of that failure is something that will define where will we go from there, right? So it is very, very important to analyze, understand why we fail, and then learn from it. So I think these are few values that I have imbibed.
Okay. And now I just wanted to get in a sense from you, a quick rapid fire to get to know you better. So whatever really comes to mind, and what is the one snappy answer that you can think of? What do you think is the one word that best describes Anand Rathi Well?
I think a strong value system and family like culture.
What is your go-to mantra for success?
Follow the strategy to the T without deviating from it.
Okay, follow the strategy to the T. What is the one personal or professional goal that you're very excited to achieve next?
Reaching an AUM of 500 crores.
You go, and I'm sure you absolutely will. And finally, who is the mentor, the person that you really look up to at Anand Rathi Wealth?
Firoz Aziz.
Okay, you are the 50th person to have said that. So I'm sure Feroz is beaming from year to year. Thank you, Twinkle, for chatting with us. It's really been an inspiring journey, one of ambition, resilience, and the real drive to create impact. And without a doubt, you are a champion for growth. So thank you for talking to us.
So much, Avan. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thank
Bye.
you.